Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to master HashiCorp Vault, you have to come to the right place. Today we are kicking off an 8-part series that will guide you through the everything you need to know about HashiCorp Vault, from basic setup to advanced configurations for production environments. Let's briefly look at what each part of the series will cover. In the first step, we'll guide you through the installing Vault on a Linux system, ensuring you start on a solid foundation. Then, second step is we will dive into how to start and stop Vault server, focusing on both development and production environments. Third step is we'll focus on managing secrets. We'll learn how to read, write and delete secrets. And then fourth step. In the fourth step, we'll explain in the intricacies of secret path and engines, crucial for organizing your secrets efficiently. And in the step 5 is all about dynamic secrets, a game changer for automated access management. Then step 6 will cover token authentication method and integrating GitHub as an authentication source. Step 7 will detail how to create and manage access policy within Vault. And finally, step 8 will walk you through the deploying Vault in a production environment, ensuring you are ready for real-world application. Each video in our series is designed to build upon the last, gradually increasing in complexity and depth. By the end, you will not only understand Vault better, but also be equipped to use it effectively in any environment. Let's dive into our first topic, installing HashiCorp Vault. Installing HashiCorp Vault is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow steps correctly to ensure a securely and stable setup. We will go through the installation process on a Linux system. And don't worry, all these commands will be available in our GitHub repository, linked in the video description below. So let's move to our Linux terminal, and our first step is we will start by updating our package list and installing the necessary software for managing GPG keys. Open your terminal and type sudo apt update and sudo apt install GPG. Also, you can copy the command from my GitHub repository from here, and I will provide all the commands into my GitHub repository. So let's move to our Linux system and hit enter. As you can see, our package is updating. Now wait for it for successfully complete, and it will take us some time, so wait for it. Now it will successfully updated. Now our next step is we will add the HashiCorp GPG key, and this step ensures that the software we install is authenticated and secure. So enter the following command. So let's go to our GitHub repository and copy the command and paste over here and hit enter. Now it will successfully set up. It's always a good practice to verify the key's fingerprint to ensure its integrity. Run this command to check the fingerprint. So let's go to the GitHub repository. Copy the key fingerprints command and paste over here and hit enter. This command will help to check fingerprints and verify the keys of the fingerprints to ensure its integrity. Once the key is verified, let's add the HashiCorp repository to your system. This command will set up the repository. So I'll copy that and paste over here and hit enter. Now, after adding the repository, update your package list again and install Vault. So I'll copy the command and paste over here and hit enter. Then we will install HashiCorp Vault. So I'll copy the command and paste over here and hit enter. Now, as you can see, our HashiCorp Vault is successfully installed into our Linux system. So let's run command vault version to verify this the Vault is successfully installed or not. As you can see, our Vault is successfully installed and its version is 1.18.1. And if you see the version number, congratulations, you have successfully installed HashiCorp Vault. That's it for today's video. You have just installed HashiCorp Vault on your system. In our next video, we will go through the how to start and stop the Vault server, including configuring it in dev mode, which is great for testing and development purposes. Check out our GitHub repository for all the commands we used today. And Join us next time to learn more about managing your secrets securely with HashiCorp Vault. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.